Put oil in a hot pan and sauté onions. Cook for a few minutes, then add garlic. Sauté until fragrant, then add ground turkey or ground meat you like. Season with salt and black pepper. Mix. Cook until the ground turkey is no longer pink. Add mushrooms or beans if using. Cook for a few minutes. Looks like there's enough water. Put taco seasonings. Put some chili powder, diced green chilies, or jalapenos if desired. Mix thoroughly and cook for a few minutes. Add bell peppers if using. Bring it to a boil, then add dried oregano or dried cilantro if desired. Taste. Add salt if needed. Cook it to your liking or until the water dries out. Make burritos, tacos, or taco bowl.